Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC नेट दिसंबर 2023 पेपर। पब्लिक एड थ्योरी कॉन्सेप्ट ह्यूमन रिलेटेड अप्रोच। ह्यूमन रिलेटेड अप्रोच सी ह्यूमन रिलेशन अप्रोच होती है हर्बर्ट सिमोंस की। साइंटिफिक अप्रोच होती है डब्ल्यू एफ टियोर की। और रैशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग होती है हर्बर्ट सिमोन की। और आइडियल टाइप ब्यूरोक्रेसी एल्टन मियो की। हूगे पॉलिसी सर्कल Hoover policy cycles and concept that is the sequential stages in policy process with his 7-stage policy cycles. C की Harold Jesles. Which of the four major issues of the public administration were debated in the first and Minnebrooke Conference 1968? Relevance, value, quality and change. अरे भैया Which of the following is an incorrect pair? World Bank report in 1994 good governance. Option A. Select is the subsystem of which domains and of the rings and prismatic society. Prismatic societies, the administrative system. Who was the pioneers in the behaviors in public administration? In public administrations and Elton Mayo. Who among the following has called the Weber ideals type of the bureaucracy as unsuitable for developing society? Fred W. Ricks. Which conversation political thinkers and said this to be the conversatives is to the prefers the familiars to the unknown and to prefer the tired to the untried, and fact to mastery the actual and to the possible the limited, to the unbounded the nearest to the distant D. Okay, sort. Which conversations and political thinkers said this to be the conservatives is to the prefers as the similars and to the unknown to preferred the tired to the untried, and fact to the mastery and the actuals and to the possibles the limited to the unbounded the nearest to the distant. Okay, sort. Match the items in 2 columns and landmarks case. केशवानंद भारती केस बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर डॉक्ट्रिन। गोरखनाथ केस सी फाइनलिटी ऑन द लिमिटेड अमेंडमेंट राइट्स टू द पार्लियामेंट्स। मिनेरा मिल्स केस finally on limited amendment rights to the parliament S.R. Bhomai. Parliament connected amendments F.R. Which of the following political artist scientific is not the related to the political development and the modernization theory? B. Fred Rings. Which list 1 and list 2 and approach and to the comparative political and political scientist?